Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my nails. Now this is a different set from the one that I'm going to be showing you in this video, but all the steps, all my tricks, all of everything that I do to make my nails look bomb at home, looking like I just came from the salon, I'm going to show you guys how I do everything so that you guys can save some money, because you know I'm all about the baddie on the budget. Nails are a really expensive habit, and I'm in nursing school, so I can't even really have nails. So I like to be able to put them on, take them off, but still have that salon look and finish. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I did, everything that I use. I'm not going to make this super long, so let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to go ahead and file down your nails. I'm just going to shape them to my liking. You don't have to do this because your nails aren't going to be showing. But I do like to do this because I want my nails to grow in a certain shape underneath the press-ons. Then you're going to go ahead and remove the top layer of nail. This is just going to give you a nice, flat, rougher surface for the glue to stick to and make it a lot more secure. So you're going to do that on every nail as well. Now that you've filed off the top layer, you have to buff it nice and smooth, so that your nail doesn't lift or have any like places where there's gaps. So you're just going to make it nice and flat and smooth. Then I like to apply cuticle oil. Now don't drag me if I'm doing this in the wrong order. I am not a nail tech. I really just freestyle this, so do it in whatever order you desire. Then I'm going to go ahead and push back the cuticle after the cuticle oil has been sitting for a little bit. And pushing back the cuticle just makes a nice like canvas for the press-on to just slip and fit into. So I always do this step, and I make sure to wash my hands in between. Now it's time to apply the press-ons. I'm using these ones from Kiss. You can find them at your local beauty supply store. I'll link a couple places where you can get press-ons online down below if you're interested. But you're just going to match each nail to the size of your finger. And this might take some time, really make sure that you're covering all the bases. Then you're going to go ahead and glue on each nail. I like to put a nice even amount of glue on each one. Go ahead and press it down, making sure I'm covering the entire nail, which is why the sizing is so important, because if it's too small, you'll see your natural nail poking out on the side, and that ain't cute. So you just keep pressing and making sure that this is really secure. As you guys can see, that's what the first one looks like. Then I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on all the other nails, making sure to really press them down so that they stay nice and secure and the glue dries with no air bubbles or gaps or anything like that. And this is what it looks like compared to before. So this is optional. You could leave the nails just how they are. I, however, decided to paint over the French. I wasn't really feeling the French. I didn't really like the nude color that they chose, like for the natural nail part. So I'm just going ahead and using my GELLEN gel nail system. I already have a video review up on my channel about this, and I'm using their base coat, their top coat, and one of their polishes to create this color. I'll have the color I used and links to purchase the gel set and all of that in the description box below. This set is bomb, and it's really easy. It comes with all the directions. You just follow everything it says. I already have a video tutorial on this, so I'm not going to go too in depth. So just go ahead and watch me finish my nails, and then I'll show you guys the final outcome. Okay, you guys, so that is how I do my nails at home. I promise you guys, you're gonna save so much money. Press-ons or like full cover nails are not for everyone. I get it, and a lot of people like to have like more of a longer lasting nail manicure situation, but if you do what I do, you put the press-ons and then you layer the gel on top, they last, because once they start to pop off, you can just go ahead and take them all off, file down all the glue, and just reapply them, and your nails don't get damaged in the process, and it's just a lot quicker. And say for instance that you break a nail, your whole nail doesn't break. It's just like the press on that comes off. Your whole nail doesn't come off with it, which I really enjoy, because whenever I used to get acrylics and my nail would break, one time my nail broke down literally to the pink meat, and it was so painful. So I don't do acrylics anymore. So if you guys are interested, I will have everything listed in the description box below, where I got them, the price, all of that good stuff will be in the description box below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys know I'm the DIY queen. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. If you guys like these nails, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, because I have some more heat coming for y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.